And now they've just come out from behind the tables again, and now she's interested again. Bella, let's see if I can get her to come back. Bella, but look, she came back. She's not. She's looking over there now at the lake again, where the ducks and the swans are, and the pigeons. But Bella, but she's happy to come back.